Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Flying Toys is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets in the market, offering a unique blend of fun, excitement, and technological marvel. From simple, easy-to-fly drones perfect for beginners to complex, acrobatic models for experienced pilots, the world of flying toys caters to all skill levels and interests. Whether you're looking for a thrilling hobby, an engaging educational tool, or simply a fun way to spend your free time, this video will guide you through the exciting world of flying toys, helping you choose the perfect one to take to the skies. Number 5. Force 1 Scoot LED Drone. It's the ultra-bright version of the original Scoot drone. Enjoy the super bright green and blue LEDs lighting up every flight. Place both hands on it, swipe a hand under when the lights blink rapidly, and watch it perform a 360 degrees flip. It's easy and fun for beginners. It's equipped with powerful motors to fly in all directions. Use your hands to guide its flight, it's that simple. This drone has a non-toxic, high-quality webbed shell to protect hands, walls, and furniture. The shell also keeps it safe from damage. It's a 2020 Mom's Choice Award winner. This hands-on learning toy is designed to satisfy and is US certified. It measures 4.3 inches in diameter, includes a USB charging cable, and flies for 8 minutes on a 50-minute charge. What we like. It shines brightly with multiple LEDs, making it perfect for indoor flights. It also does 360 degrees flips with a simple hand swipe. If you are looking for a fun, easy-to-use drone for kids, this is it. What people say. It is very easy to use and I find it very safe to use in a variety of spaces in our house, both big and small. There are lights on the top that create cool patterns on the ceiling when the drone gets high enough. Charging is easy, it has a USB with a charging light and a tiny barrel connector on the other end. When the light goes out, the drone is fully charged and ready to go. This seems to take around 30 minutes plus or minus. The drone itself has a center light that doubles as a status indicator. Flashing red and green means it's calibrating itself. Solid green means ready to fly. Blinking red means it needs to charge. The unit itself is fairly small, maybe the size of a DVD and a few inches thick. The entire thing is caged so it's safe to hold and be near when flying. It's not going to nick anybody and you can't easily get your fingers in a prop even if they're little fingers. It's surprisingly lightweight and feels a bit delicate but not flimsy. The actual flying is super easy. You really can just drop or toss it and it'll right itself and start hovering. The drone seems to rotate slowly when flying, which gives a cool UFO effect with the outer lights. It will sort of meander around the room changing height and direction by itself if you don't interact with it. It does a pretty good job of avoiding objects and when it does bump into things, it's pretty gentle and just lightly bounces off. Number 4. Holy Stone Mini Drone. It can do amazing tricks like tossing to launch, flying in circles, 3D flips, and auto-rotation. Kids will love its speed adjustments to match their skill level. It features altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode for easy control, regardless of your direction. Perfect for kids and beginners. With 3 batteries, it provides up to 21 minutes of flight time. A low battery alarm ensures you never have to worry about it suddenly losing power. Its small size makes it perfect for taking anywhere, parties, school, even hiking trips. It's a great gift for any occasion. The propellers are fully protected, keeping little fingers safe from spinning blades and the drone itself from damage. When using multiple drones, make sure to power on and pair each one individually to avoid radio frequency interference. What we like. This drone features auto-hovering for stable flight and exciting 3D flips. The multiple batteries provide extended playtime. If you want a longer flight time and user-friendly features, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very stable, it hovers and stays in the same position when not flying in a direction, which makes it easy to fly, particularly for young kids. It is also very resilient, the protectors around the propellers make it pretty resistant to bumps and crashes. It also comes with 3 rechargeable batteries and 4 spare propellers. Flying in the house was sketchy at first, but now I fly 3 batteries back to back without issue. This package flies like a stabilized camera drone versus the FPV Freak Whoop pictured next to it, which is practically uncontrollable for a beginner pilot. The controls are fairly precise, but they take some practice. fun to fly in the house. Headless flight mode is a good feature for beginners. Number 3. Holy Stone HS-190 Mini Drone. It features a one-click takeoff and landing, making it super easy to control, even for kids. Plus, the 3D flips add an extra thrill to the flying experience. Altitude hold lets it hover steadily, and headless mode means directions are always relative to you. It's perfect for kids and beginners. It comes with 3 speed modes, low, medium, and high, so kids of all skill levels can enjoy flying it. The propellers are protected, keeping little fingers safe. And the emergency stop function ensures a quick and safe landing. It's small enough to fold into its controller and easily fits in your pocket. Take it anywhere, parties, school, even on vacation. This drone makes a fantastic Christmas gift for kids and beginners. It's fun, easy to use, and safe. We offer a 30-day warranty on the drone and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's foldable and portable, perfect for taking on the go. It also has altitude hold for stable flight and multiple speeds for different skill levels. If you need a compact and versatile drone, this is your best option. What people say. This mini drone from Holy Stone is very responsive and full of features. It is perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who just wants to have fun. It is also useful for practicing your flying skills, both indoors and outdoors. It does not take a relatively long time to charge, roughly 30 minutes, via USB or from the transmitter, and gives you 5 to 8 minutes of flying time. It has several colored LEDs on the drone body and a bright white LED in the front, which look cool and also provide a method of tracking the drone and its orientation. It has 3 speeds from which to choose. All of the features worked great from the start. The one-key takeoff and landing functions performed well. The altitude hold function worked pretty good, but the performance was improved even more by using the trimmers buttons, as described in the user manual. The high-speed rotation and flip mode are fun to try and watch. The one-key return worked as described in the manual, but you do need to be aware of the drone's position relative to you and the transmitter. Headless mode allows you to control the drone relative to the transmitter, so you do not have to be concerned about keeping the head of the drone facing away from you. The HS-190 has been resilient and sturdy so far. We have run into several items and crashed at least a few times with no ill effects. The propeller guards were attached. Since the drone arms do fold, make sure you check and put them back in place after a crash. Number 2. Flying Orb Ball. It uses advanced technology to perform amazing aerial maneuvers. Watch it light up the night sky with its dazzling RGB lights, inspiring endless creativity and fun tricks. It's easy to learn and play, perfect for kids and adults alike. Play alone or with others, it brings everyone together for unforgettable moments. It's equipped with an accelerometer that automatically stops it on impact, and its durable design ensures safe play. We prioritize your child's safety. Give the gift of outdoor fun and imaginative play. It encourages kids to explore and step away from screens, making it an ideal present for any occasion. We're here to help. Contact us anytime with any questions, before or after your purchase. We're dedicated to providing the best shopping experience. What we like. This orb boasts dazzling lights and an aerodynamic design for impressive aerial maneuvers. It's also designed with safety features to prevent damage. If you want a unique and safe flying toy, this is it. What people say. They are fast and climbs high, so high risk of losing it, but it is fun, fun, fun. The only sound is the kids laughing. It was a birthday gift that we had that we enjoyed together quite a bit. It got the kids off their electronics and they have come up with some fun games both indoors and out. The Activa Flying Orb Ball is an absolute blast. The dazzling lights and magic hover spinner make it such an amazing toy. It was flying all over the house, and my grandkids were completely entertained for hours. Number 1. Battat Skyrocopter Flying Disc Toy. Watch these amazing flying discs take flight. They soar through the air like mini helicopters, reaching incredible heights. It's fun for young pilots. With 2 launchers and 4 discs, the fun is doubled. It's perfect for games like distance contests or target practice. Get ready for some friendly competition. Transform your backyard into an aviation playground. It's a great way for kids to learn about physics while having fun, without screens. This toy is all about kid power. Simply load, pull, and launch. It's durable enough for countless flights and endless summer fun. Designed for ages 3 and up, these lightweight discs soar safely. It helps develop hand-eye coordination while having a blast. Get ready for takeoff with the Battat Skyrocopter. This exciting toy provides hours of outdoor fun and helps develop important skills. What we like. It's incredibly easy to launch, simply pull the string. The durable design ensures long-lasting fun. If you're looking for a simple, battery-free flying toy, this is a great choice. What people say. It is easy enough for both of them to play with this toy without help from an adult. I love the bright colors for locating their discs in the yard after they've been playing. These are much sturdier. The rotors fly high and provide plenty of exercise for the kids as they ran around collecting them after each flight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.